Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you on how to propagate marigold plants. So we have here this beautiful marigold that I've just cut it really from the mother plant and plan to scatter them around your garden this fall season. And as you can see guys, it starts to root already. So basically you just have to cut and make cuttings. I make sure they have like 2 or 3 nodes and just dip it in the water. As you can see, over time it will form some roots. So it's best when you make cuttings that you put them in shaded areas, not in direct sunlight. So instead of planting new seeds, is really great to spread around your garden, especially as companion plant, and at the same time great for amazing beautiful flowers. And I'll show you guys the mother plant that I would cut out just like this. So here is the mother plant. This is the marigold. I plant them next to corn and some vegetables over here. So basically you just cut or snip this long, because sometimes if you plant it where it receives a lot of nitrogen, especially I planted it next here to string beans. So as you can see, it gets so tall and sometimes they're about to break. And as you can see, the body starts to roots already. It's so amazing, especially if you plant them in a shallow ground. But you can plant it a little deeper. I highly recommend it, and it's so amazing because you could see the roots already appearing here. As you can see there, close up there, the root starts to appear. You can even cut the top part of it already, but if you don't like, you can just cut like this length. So it hasn't flowered yet, but it's a great way to propagate it. Some marigold may not work very well, just like this plant. It did not, somehow it got some pest into it, so it's really great to plant a couple or propagate them. So there are so many varieties of marigolds. What is your favorite colors? This is something you can alternate with zinnia or other flowers. Calendula is so amazing. If you find it too long, you can just cut another plant and then put it in the water again, let it sit there. I put them in a part which receive indirect sunlight, and just over here where it has some shade to it, and it's been like 2 or 3 days, and you just have to refill water, and it is very easy to propagate. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. If you want to watch another videos, I have more videos there for you. You can check it out later. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.